Hello children, in this session you will learn about some other basic terms of geometry. During this session you will learn about types of lines that are coplanar lines, intersecting lines, parallel lines and perpendicular lines, and polygons. Different types of polygons you will learn in this session. Before that, we will recollect the previous class. In previous class, you have learnt about point, line, line segment, ray and plane and collinear and non-collinear points. Now, we will see a point is an exact location on a plane and line is a extending in both the direction with no end points is called a line. A line segment is a part of line that has two end points and that has definite length is called a line. A ray is a line segment that extends indefinitely in one direction and another side it is having end point. Now we will see the difference between line and a line segment. A line can extend both the direction and it doesn't have a end point. Here we can write line AB with both the sides arrows, and here a line segment has two end points and it has definite length. Now we will learn about collinear lines. Lines which are lie on the same plane. That means if you draw lines on a A4 white paper, that lines will placed on the same surface. In this picture you are seeing AB, PQ and CD are placed on the same surface. So these lines are called collinear lines. Next one is intersecting lines. Two or more lines that cross at one point are called intersecting lines. In this picture you are seeing line PQ and RS are intersecting at point E. So point E is called as intersecting point and line PQ and RS are called as intersecting lines. Now you will learn about parallel lines. Two lines in a plane that never intersect or cross each other are called as parallel lines. In this picture you are seeing line AB and line CD. If we extend these lines never cross at any place. So these lines are called as parallel lines. In this picture, line AB and line CD are parallel to each other. That means they never cross at any point or any place. Next one is perpendicular lines. Two lines that intersect or join each other at right angle are called perpendicular lines. In the given picture, you are seeing angle XPB is a right angle. That means it measures exactly 90 degrees. So this angle is called as right angle. So in this picture, line XY and AB are perpendicular to each other. So these lines are called as perpendicular lines. So perpendicular symbol we will write it as inverted T, and XY and AB are perpendicular to each other. These lines are called as perpendicular lines. Now we will recollect the points what we have learned till now. Intersecting lines are lines that pass through the same point. They will cross at one point. So these are called intersecting lines. Next one is perpendicular lines that intersect at each other at right angle. These lines are called perpendicular lines. Next one is parallel lines. These lines never intersect each other. If we extend these lines, they will never intersect at any point. So these are called parallel lines. Now you will learn about polygons. Closed figures which are made up of line segments are called polygons. Polygons are classified into various categories depending on the number of line or sides they have. These polygons are named with the Greek numerical prefixes. That means in Greek, tri means 3. Quadri means 4. Penta means 5. Hexa means 6. So, in this picture, you are seeing this picture, it is having 3 sides and 3 vertices. So, it is named as with the Greek prefix triangle. And this is named as quadrilateral, which is having 4 sides and 4 vertices. And this picture is named as pentagon, which is having 5 sides. In Greek prefix, penta means 5. So it is named as pentagon. And in Greek, hexa means 6. So this polygon is named as hexagon, which is having 6 sides and 6 vertices. And hepta means 7. Octa means 8. Nova means 9. Deca means 10. So, based upon the number of sides, this figure is named as heptagon, which is having 7 sides and 7 vertices, and octagon, which is having 8 sides and 8 vertices, novagon, which is having 9 sides, 9 vertices, and decagon, which is having 10 sides and 10 vertices. Now we will practice some questions. In this example, we are seeing some lines. Now we will classify these lines into parallel, intersecting and perpendicular lines. In question number 1, these lines are, if you extend these lines never intersect at any place. So, these lines are called as parallel lines. And in question number 2, these lines, 2 lines are intersecting at one point. So, these lines are called intersecting lines. Intersecting lines. And in question number 3, these 2 lines are perpendicular to each other. So these lines are called perpendicular lines. Perpendicular lines. And in question number 4, if we extend these lines, they will intersect at one place. So these lines are called as intersecting lines. Intersecting lines. Till now, we practiced classification of lines. Hope you understand very well. And we practiced polygons. Now, practice these questions as home assignment. Thank you, children.